Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. I am Lukman Hakim, a lecturer of postgraduate program, Islamic State University of Sultan Tal Saifuddin Jambi, Indonesia. On behalf of our research team, I would like to present our research which is supposed to be presented at ASEAN Education Symposium 2020. But today, the presentation is held virtually because of the corona pandemic. The title of our research is The Effect of Working Motivation on the work effectiveness of the heads of Madrasah Sanawiyah in Jambi province.
The effect of working motivation on the work effectiveness on the head of Madrasah Sanawiyah MTS in Jambi province. The background and the purpose of the research. Many of the head of madrasah in Jambi is still difficult and constrained in achieving the effectiveness of the work in his institution. It is important to note that in particular, in relation to managerial patterns in madrasah institution, many service effectiveness indicators are determined by technical and non-technical factors. Technical factors include proficiency in administrative skills and the substance of educational services, especially in organizational hierarchy model, namely leadership, administrative, teaching, consulting, and coordinating. In addition, there are non-technical factors related to the situation and condition in creating performance, such as organizational climate, interpersonal communication, work motivation, discipline, and so forth. The purpose of this study is to find out and prove the direct and indirect effect of work motivation on the work effectiveness of madrasah principals, with the ultimate goal of building a shared understanding that work motivation is an important instrument that must be immediately corrected and an effort to produce schoolwork effectiveness, especially in assisting work managerial madrasah head. Methodology. The research method used a survey method with a path analysis approach to test the direct or indirect effect of free variables against bound variables. The data in this research collected using instruments that it is questionnaires, taking the number of samples using simple random sampling. To determine the number of samples from the affordable population is determined by referring the formula to calculate the size of the samples developed by ISAAC, and Michael quoted from Sugiono, namely the result and the discussion. Frequency distribution scored that the most frequency of respondents in the second interval class with interval of 101 to 108, namely 17 respondents, 28.34%. This range is a core distribution that is below average 109.62. This means that most of distribution of the school's work effectiveness score is below the average price of 32 respondents, around 53.34%. Frequency distribution scores that the most frequency of respondents in the fifth interval class with interval of 98 to 101, namely 20 respondents, 33.35%. This range is a score distribution that is above the average 97.47. This means that as a whole, most of the school's work motivation score distribution is above the average price of 34 respondents, 66.68%. The research hypothesis has been tested. Because the hypothesis is tested, the research empirically proves the underlying theories in drafted a theoretical framework in order to attract the research hypothesis tested through the study. With this result, the result of the study didn't contradict the theories that became a reference to the research hypothesis submission. Conclusion. The work motivation directly affects the effectiveness of work. Thus, the low effectiveness of the school principal's work can be explained by work motivation. The magnitude of direct impact of working motivation to the effectiveness of work is 23.4%. Based on the finding of this study, it can be concluded that the research hypothesis stating there is a direct effect of positive motivation for work on the effectiveness of work is acceptable. The results show that the high effectiveness of school principal could be explained by the high motivation of work. Therefore, with the demands of the improvement of professionalism, it needs to be addressed by improving the effectiveness of work by increasing three variables. Our high work motivation is a manifestation of the high head understanding of the concept of the double position and will weaken the orientation of the school principal to be professional in carrying out its duties. The high motivation of work illustrates the high loyalty, strong attachment and magnitude of the school's desire to immerse themselves in managerial activities in the school. Thus, to increase the motivation of the school principal can be reached by encouraging their professional in terms of understand the duties, work and responsibilities as the principal, understand and apply the ethics of teaching, mastering the teaching materials in their field of expertise, 8 and 9. Thus, the first task to become the principal, the candidate of the principal should ideally be able to prove the ability to master the material and the way of teaching. This refers to one way improving the motivation of work. With mastery of teaching materials, understanding of assignments and responsibilities, and understanding the ethics of teaching will grow new motivation that obtain a combination of commitment and integrity in work 10. When this is created, it forms a dynamic grammar so that the working process will be run effectively. Thank you.